Alright, this is my Craftsman 675 series lawnmower. I bought it like 2011. So the key start, it was working fine, but the battery finally died. It's somewhere over here by the buffer. You have to take the screw out and somehow to replace it. But today I'm gonna do a little experiment. I put a board over here and make like the hose for the lithium battery, and then I connect the, whatever positive to positive, negative to negative, and I'm gonna use the lithium battery to power up the lawnmower, and let's see. So I'm gonna plug it in. Alright, maybe I go to eBay and buy an adapter kit for this, but so far so good. Alright, a moment of truth. Start it up. So that means every time I don't even have to worry about in the winter. I just take the battery out and charge it in the house. Nice. Good luck, guys.